Hey guys, so today we're going to be waxing my snowboard. I went out today because it was snowing, trying to just go down the side of my my front lawn, which has a pretty big hill, and I just stuck in the snow, and then I remembered I hadn't waxed my snowboard in like months. So I decided that this is a great opportunity to do a tutorial and show you guys how to hot wax your snowboard. So you're gonna need your iron. I'm just using a iron that I got from Goodwill for $5 because if I use my mom's iron, she'd be irritated with me because you can't reuse an iron on clothes after you use it to wax your snowboard because it gets stuck in those tiny little holes and then it'll ruin your clothes. And then we have our base cleaner, and you can also use citrus cleaner, which I use for my board. We have a rag, a screwdriver to get our bindings off, a sponge, this Daykind tool to give some structure to your board, and we also have our wax scraper. So we're going to start by taking the bindings off. So next we're going to clean the base of the board and remove any dirt and old wax. Then we're going to use our scrubber sponge to get in all the crevices and do the same thing. So I'm just gonna let it air dry for a second while we're doing that. Alright. So I'm just gonna let it air dry for a second. While we're doing that, I'll plug in oh yeah. And the reason for taking off the bindings is if we applied the hot wax with the binding still on, it could create divots in our board. And also another good tip is to put some boxes or something underneath the board so that it's not wobbling all around because of the bevels of the tips of the board. So we're just waiting for this to heat up, and when it does, we'll start waxing. Alright, so what we're gonna do next is apply the wax. What's up? The bread? I think the top of the pantry. Yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is apply the wax to the edges first. And then we're going to move around the wax, pushing it towards the edges. Okay, now that the board is fully waxed, we're going to give it 30 minutes to cool down. When it's done, it should be cold to the touch. It should be no way warm. So we're going to wait till it cools down. Okay, so now that our board is cool to the touch, we can start scraping off all the wax. Just try and scrape off as much wax as possible, and we'll just get to that real quick. Okay, so now that we finished that, we're just gonna wipe down with this. Get all the extra crap off. And then what I do is I use this to add some structure, so we go to tail.